Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see different network criteria in data communication and network. Basically there are three network criteria. First is performance, second one is reliability, and third one is security. Let's see all these one by one. First one is performance. This performance can be measured on how network supports communication between two nodes in the network or with other nodes of other network. Let's see, there is one network having three nodes and how this network supports communication amongst these three nodes. We may have another network having three different nodes. This node 2 in one network is connected with node 4 of other network. Then how network supports communication between these two different nodes located in different networks. So that is the performance. The two major tasks in a network are the transmission and the reception of information. Under transmission, we need to focus on how fast a message is transmitted from one point to another point. And under reception, we can say how fast a node, that is receiver, can receive a request and find the needed information. Performance can be measured in many ways, which includes transit time, that can be also referred as transmission time, response time, throughput, bandwidth, delay, that is latency, number of users in network, transmission media used in network, capabilities of connected hardware, efficiency of software, and jitter. Let's see all this one by one. Transit time, that is also known as transmission time. Transit time is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one device to another device. That is time needed to send data from sender to receiver. Response time, this is elapsed time between an inquiry and response. Here sender has made an inquiry to the receiver and it is basically time taken to give the response. That is known as response time. Next is throughput. It measures how much data is transferred successfully from sender node to receiver node in a particular time frame. That is how much data transmitted in 1 unit time, that is throughput. It is measured in bits per second or data per second. Next one is bandwidth. It is maximum possible throughput capacity of the network. We can measure it in bits per second, megabits per second, or gigabits per second. Basically, it defines the highest limit. Next one is delay, that is latency. We know that throughput is the number of data packets successfully delivered in given time, and delay is the measure of time taken for that delivery. Apart from this, performance can be measured on number of users, means how many number of users are there in the network. If more number of users are there, then there will be more congestion. Type of transmission media used in network: shielded twisted pair cable, unshielded twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber. These are guided media or microwave communication, radio frequencies or infrared waves. These are unguided media. Then it can be measured with the help of capabilities of hardware or the devices used in the network. Along with capabilities of hardware, it can be measured on the basis of efficiency of software. And last one is the jitter, means it is basically related to delay and the disturbances. As we have seen that it can be often evaluated by two networking metrics, that is throughput and delay. As we have seen in the last slide, we often need more throughput and less delay, means more data in less time. However, these two criteria are often contradictory. If we try to send more data to the network, we may increase throughput and delay, means more data is there in the network, then to send more data we need more time, and that more time is there because of traffic congestion in the network. Second one is reliability. It is measured by the frequency of failure it is undergoing, the time it takes to recover from the failures, and the network robustness in the catastrophe. Basically, it is the degree to which a network is trustworthy, consistent, and dependable. Overall, the robustness of network at times of catastrophic event is measured to check how reliable the network is. Last one is the security. Security measures how network secures the data amid failures and attacks, and the policies and the procedures it implements to protect itself from the damages and unauthorized access. Network attacks and data breaches are checked as far as the security is concerned. It includes protecting data from unauthorized access, protecting data from damage and development, and implementing policies and procedures for recovery from breaches and the data losses. So that is about the security. So these are the three network criteria we have seen: performance, reliability, and security. For more such videos, stay connected here with this channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.